What is SDN and why it has created a significant noise in the networking community? This is the Cloud's Guru, and let's delve deeper into the world of networking. To give you an idea, SDN or software-defined networking is a networking approach that centralizes control by separating the network's control plane from the data plane, enabling administrators to manage and automate network behavior through software rather than individual hardware configurations. The rise of SDN has created significant debate within the networking community, especially regarding traditional certifications like the Cisco Certified Network Associate or CCNA. As networking technology evolves rapidly, SDN has reshaped how networks are designed, managed, and operated, introducing a high level of automation and programmability that was previously uncommon. This transformation has led to questions about the relevance of the CCNA certification, which has traditionally focused on hardware-based networking and command line interface or CLI skills rather than software-centric approaches like SDN. At the heart of the controversy is the question of whether foundational skills taught in CCNA still hold value in an SDN-centric world. SDN abstracts control from network hardware, allowing administrators to configure and manage network devices through centralized software. This shifts the emphasis from managing individual devices to defining network-wide policies, often using software rather than hardware. Traditional CCNA topics such as configuring switches, routers, and VLANs through command line commands can seem increasingly disconnected from the skills needed to manage SDN environments, which favor automation tools and programming knowledge in languages like Python. Cisco has responded to some of this criticism by introducing SDN and automation concepts in recent CCNA curriculum updates, but many feel that integration has been limited. As a result, many aspiring network engineers supplement their CCNA studies with additional training in SDN, automation, and cloud networking to keep pace with industry demands. The controversy surrounding CCNA and SDN highlights the broader shift in the networking industry toward software-driven approaches and automation. While foundational networking skills remain valuable, the growing importance of SDN means the CCNA will likely need continuous evolution to stay relevant. This debate reflects an industry at a crossroads where traditional networking skills coexist with a future increasingly defined by software, automation, and cloud technology. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights into cloud computing. See you in the next one.